Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we have an exciting install. It's a Type R front bumper conversion from American Modified. If you're watching this video right now when it releases, they are currently having a Black Friday sale of 25% off site-wide, so you can pick one of these up for under $400, which is a steal. My stock bumper is a bit messed up on the passenger side from the previous owner, so this will be a nice, fresh, aggressive new look. Here's what you get from American Modified when you order the Type R front bumper conversion, except I didn't get the Type R grill since I will reuse my open mesh grill, but the kit does normally include the Type R style grill as well. We did end up painting the bumper a nice lunar silver paint match over the course of the weekend, but sadly it did not last long. Once I inserted the vents, the paint cracked at the clip points and created air bubbles underneath. We didn't prime the bumper since everything online says the bumper is ready to paint and is pre-primered, but clearly the paint doesn't stick to the plastic. So lesson learned for next time. We ended up peeling the rest of the paint off except for a few spots like the vents, which added a little touch for the meantime until we get it professionally painted sometime soon. For now, this bumper still looks really aggressive and the install is an easy swap. The fitment looks pretty good for being an aftermarket bumper, and there aren't any very noticeable gaps. For now, since we're a base model, we don't have fog lights, but fog lights will be coming sometime soon, so we won't be rocking some empty holes on the bumper. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Type R bumper conversion video brought to you by American Modified. Check them out for this awesome front bumper you can get on your 10th gen Honda Civic. Anyway, leave a like if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, everybody.